Getting drunk before court, in fact, being drunk in court, not what I would describe as a genius move. And to lessen the geniosity, is that a word? I actually don't know. Anyway, to lessen the geniusness of that, don't be drunk in court while also being a sovsit. That's literally as stupid as humanly possible. But anyway, this guy decided to do just that.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Gennaro Edwards, file number 23-00747, counsel appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
Somebody represent me.
I'm sorry?
I didn't understand how somebody represent me and I'm representing myself.
See, that's your first mistake. Representing yourself as a sovsit who's also wasted. Few first mistakes. They're all rolled up into one hilarious package.
And I can't see myself on Zoom.
Nobody said they were representing you.
Oh, I thought that's what you did.
He said he was here on behalf of the people.
Oh, okay. My fault. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. You wish to represent yourself, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why
I can't see myself on the screen.
Okay. Are you under the influence of anything at this time?
No, ma'am.
Come on. You're either drunker than Mr. Leahy and Trailer Park Boys, like I'm talking Irish weekend drunk, or you're higher than the feckin' Sputnik.
Okay. I don't know why you can't see yourself on the screen.
I could just hear me and see you.
Okay.
But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Okay. Okay. So you understand, sir, that you do have the right to have court-appointed counsel represented at the expense of the public if you cannot afford to hire an attorney?
Yes.
Okay, and you wish to waive that, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what, Mr. Edwards, you need to appear in person. You need to appear in person today, okay?
How was I supposed to appear in person? I live in East Point, Michigan. That's down there by Detroit. I've been served a summons felony and not a complaint felony. I don't know what's going on, ma'am, and I want to avert the jurisdiction and read my warrant into record.
I think I speak for everybody when I say, what?
Okay,
I don't know what's going on, ma'am, and I understand this Zoom is illegal according to Tyler versus Illinois, 48-4 US 400. I know it is. So I know I have to report, but you're going to have to give me some time because I don't have transportation.
Okay, when are you going to get here?
You're going to have to at least give me a month.
A month? She wants you there today and you want a month to get down there. What are you coming down on? A sled with a pack of snails? What, are you going to crawl down there or do a worm all the way down there? A month.
You're going to have to leave.
No, you're not getting a month. You got a court date on the 13th.
I can't make it. I can't make it.
Okay, well, then you'll get a warrant, okay?
I'm asking the court.
If you don't appear on the 13th, you'll have a warrant for your arrest. We're not giving you a month to show up to court.
Ma'am, I'm asking the court.
Do you have any questions at this time?
Yes.
What's your question, sir? I'm happy to answer them, but what I won't do is go back and forth with you about nonsense, okay?
Okay, yes. All right. I have a corn warrant. May I read it into record?
I'm sorry, you have what?
I have a warrant.
You have a corn flavored worn coat.
I have a warrant.
A corn warm court.
I have a warrant.
A corn worm court.
Warrant.
What? Spell it.
It's QUO warrant.
Hold on a second. Warm toe is not a letter. QUO warm toe. That's like me saying I'm from Ireland. IRE land. That's not a letter.
And I have a lack of jurisdiction and a motion to dismiss.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, you need to file that with the court and serve it on the prosecutor. We're not reading that on the record today, okay?
We can't read it. All right. Well, since
No,
we
you
can't
need to
read it
file
on
it
the
with the
record,
court. You need to do you need to do an appropriate filing, and then you serve the prosecutor. Okay.
I will, ma'am. But I have one more other thing. Since this is probable cause, can you at least let me know what my charges is and who is lodging the charges against me?
Yeah. Did you appear for your arraignment on March 8th?
Yes, I did, ma'am. And they put
Okay.
me on a
Okay. And weren't
personal
you advised at
bond.
the time of what you were being charged with?
She said something about larceny, but she didn't say from who.
It's exactly what you're being charged with, a larceny.
Yeah, right, but she didn't say from who.
You're being charged by the people of the state of Michigan for count one on or about August 19, 2022 through August 20th, 2022 at the area of 4600 Collins Road, City of Lansing, Ingham County, State of Michigan, for allegedly committing the act in count one of larceny, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. It alleges that you did commit the offense of larceny by stealing money that belonged to a Avonshire. The value of the property stolen $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. This was contrary to Michigan Compile Law 750.356.3a. That's a felony. Maximum penalty 5 years and/or $10,000 in fines, or 3 times the value of the stolen property, whichever is greater. To impose a fine of 3 times the value, the defendant must admit the amount, or it must be determined by a trier of fact at trial. There's an habitual offender, 4th offense notice. So that would enhance the maximum penalty on this. It says, take notice that the defendant was previously convicted of 3 or more felonies or attempts to commit felonies, and that on or about May 11, 2016, he was convicted of the offense of failure to return rented property, $1,000 to $20,000, in violation of MCL 750.36583A in the 16th Circuit Court of Macomb County. And that on or about March 7th, 1997, he was convicted of the offense of delivering, manufacturing less than 50 grams in violation of MCL 333.74012A4 in the 4th Circuit Court of Jackson County. And that on or about March 7th, 1997, he was convicted of the offense of carrying a concealed weapon in violation of MCL 750.224 in the 4th Circuit Court of Jackson County. And that on or about March 7th, 1997, he was convicted of the offense of felon in possession in violation of MCL 750.224F in the 4th Circuit Court of Jackson County. And that on or about February 5th, 1993, he was convicted of delivering, manufacturing less than 50 grams in violation of MCL 333.7401224A in the 31st Circuit Court of St. Clair County. And that on or about March 14th, 1991, he was convicted of the offense of delivering and manufacturing less than 50 grams in violation of MCL 333.7401224A in the 4th Circuit of Jackson County. And that on or about August 5th, 1991, he was convicted of the offense of delivering, manufacturing less than 50 grams and contrary to MCL 333.7401224A in the 31st Circuit Court, St. Clair. And that therefore, the penalties are a maximum of life if the primary offense was 5 years or more, or 15 years or less if the primary offense has a penalty of under 5 years. This is again a larceny with the maximum penalty of 5 years. So you are facing life as a maximum penalty. I ask you again, do you want court-appointed counsel?
Okay, ma'am. I wanna interject that the MCR 404B1 said you have to show conformity to the habitual, and there's no conformity, and is over 10 years old.
This is a probable cause conference. We don't have to show any
over 10 years
conformity at
old,
a
man.
probable cause conference. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna see you in person next week, okay, sir?
I can't make it.
Well, if you don't make it, guess what's gonna happen? A bench warrant will issue. You go ahead and have a good day. I got other cases to handle.
Sorry. Can I call up my witness for next week, or do you want to?
You absolutely can.
Thank you.
Looking into my crystal ball. Well, it's not actually a crystal ball. It's a Irish Demon mug. Shameless plug. I've got a wild feeling that this guy's going to get himself a warrant. Considering he's a habitual offender, there's a fairly good chance that he done it. But I can't wait to see what ends up happening. Definitely stay tuned for more on that one. I really do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. We'll catch you later, folks. Sláinte.